Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. And today again, welcome to the HaiderTech, and I will explain you today one more important program. Last time we wrote this program, if you remember. So this was the program we write, and every time we need to, turn on and off the LED, as you have seen in my last video. So I mean, if you need to write 10 times, you need to turn on LED on and off. So you need to write the same line of code 10 times, because GPIO output 11.1, then 1 minute there will be a delay, the time, so the time delay we add, okay, and again we need to turn off the LED. So this is a 1 second delay, sorry, 1 second delay, and again we need to turn on off. So every time we need to write, suppose if we need to blink the LED 100 times, so it means, so 200 line of code we need to write, you can see here. So it means, so how we can avoid this situation? So this situation we can avoid by adding a while loop. So just add a while loop and sort out the issue. So I will use the same program but with the help of while loop. Okay, so I will add the while loop and it will run forever. Okay, so it will run forever. So how I will use it? So let me delete this one. Okay, you can see here now I just add 2 times. If you will see here, I just add GPIO pin 11 dot, you can see here 11 dot, 11 mean pin number 11, so it should be high, mean the LED should be on. After 1 second delay, so it should be off. Okay, again 1 second delay. So now I just want to write a loop. So what you need to write a loop, how you can write the loop? Just write here while true. So while true, okay, so while true, so inside, so what we need to do, so we need to add the white spaces. Okay, so white space is used to donate and show a one block of code. So this should be, we need to add some indentations. Okay, here some white spaces. So now it is a same code, one block of code. Okay, so this will what this white spaces, what it will show, again I'm telling you, please keep it in your mind, these white spaces is used to donate or show a one block of code, so it will run forever. So what it will do, while loop is basically mean loop forever. It execute the code inside of it. If the condition is true, it will run forever. Okay, now let me save and I will run this program. I will save and run this program from the CMD. Okay, I will show you from the CMD, because now let me minimize. So okay, this time I will run the program from here. Okay, so and we need to also record the video, the output video. I will also show you. So this time I have saved the file. Okay, now I will show you the program. If you will see here, Python, now we run the program, you will see the output here. You can see the LED is going to be glow, on off, on off, on off. So now, so this while loop will run forever. It execute the code inside of it, the block, so forever. You can see now it is blinking continuously. So that's all for today, and please try to practice this loop, and if you will practice more, so you will get more expertise. So thanks for watching, and